Government's role in society, addressing inequality and fostering unity. The government plays a vital role in shaping society by providing it with certain goods and conditions for the fulfillment of the population, with a focus on individual qualities. Moreover, among its functions should be the control and monitoring of the social moods of society, which are influenced by external and internal factors. Governments can help create an equal environment in the world, but this work should be consistent and honest. In assessing the current environment state, several problems are identified: healthcare, access to water and food, social services to ensure a high quality of life, and more. These problems stem from human nature, as society tends toward individualism instead of unity around specific issues. Organizations such as the UN are needed to bring the community together, and the government, as a public apparatus, is suited to this role because of its breadth of outreach. To increase its effectiveness, the government takes actions such as streamlining internal and civilian control and monitoring activities. Interaction with society in consideration of its interests will gradually change the internal structure of the government, which will further affect the community as a whole. The direction of investments in education, healthcare, social services, and legislation will make it easier for the population to receive various services that affect economic inequality. By building economic power, the government has the resources to meet the needs of society, the desire for individual development, and the elimination of the social gap. Financial performance is one of the main criteria of social welfare, and the government has the task of addressing the inequality of the population. Consequently, the government acts as a catalyst to either worsen or improve the situation. To a greater extent, how society perceives the government, as an associate or enemy, plays a role. Thus, opportunities for the government to influence society and eliminate inequalities do exist. They can be realized by building economic capacity and investing in critical social gaps. The unification of humanity through government would be most general, since the state apparatus would reach a large number of people at the same time. As a result, with communication between the population and politicians, an equitable and just community can be achieved.